the sound is there. I'm holding the brake pedal depressed. I'm gonna release it now. Okay, I hope you can hear it. I hope you can hear the clunking. It's not metallic, you know, it sounds like something was vibrating, something made of plastic maybe, not sure. I'm rolling the windows down, and actually you can hear it less now. It's louder with the windows closed, so it's only, I can listen only to it while I'm sitting in the cabin. Okay, shifting back to park. It's gone. Drive. Nothing. Reverse. And again. It's more silent, but there. Okay, that's all.